Hello and welcome back to TalkEasyYT. I'm Anna and I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're new to the channel, you're in the right place. At TalkEasyYT, we believe that learning English should be fun and easy, just like chatting with a good friend. Today's episode is going to be extra fun because we're going to practice English with music. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to learn how to talk about our favorite songs, artists, and music in English. It's a great way to expand your vocabulary and feel more confident when speaking. And the best part is, we're going to do it in a simple and natural way so you can use these phrases in your everyday life. Before we get started, I just want to remind you to hit that like button if you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss a new lesson. We're here to help you improve your English in a way that feels easy and fun. So if you're ready to learn English through music, let's get started.
Hey everyone, it's Leo here. I'm super happy to be with you today. If you've been with us before, you know how much I love music, and today we're going to use it as a great tool to practice English. Did you know that talking about music is one of the most natural ways to practice a language? It's true. So if you've ever wondered how to talk about your favorite songs, your top artists, or those great moments you have while listening to music, this episode is for you. And don't worry, everything we're going to do today is easy to understand. We'll use simple phrases and plenty of examples, so you'll be able to start talking about music in English even if you're a beginner. So get comfortable, or better yet, put on your favorite music in the background and get ready to learn. This is going to be a fun, relaxed, and super helpful episode. Let's do this.
All right, Leo, let's kick things off with the basics. We all love talking about songs we like, right? So the easiest way to start is by saying, I love this song. For example, I could say, I love this song. It makes me so happy. It's simple, right? So let's practice that. I'll say it first, and then you repeat after me. Ready?
Let's do it. I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. I love this song. I love this song. Awesome. Now it's your turn, listeners. Ready? I love this song. Great job. You're doing amazing already.
Nice job, everyone. Now, if you want to talk about the type or genre of the song, you can say, it's a pop song or it's a rock song. For example, this song is a pop song. I like to listen to pop music because it's so catchy. Anna, what about you? Do you have a favorite genre?
Oh, definitely. I love pop music. It's so upbeat and fun. Okay, let's practice saying it together. Ready, Leo?
I'm ready. Let's go. This song is a pop song.
Great. Now you try, listeners. Ready? This song is a pop song. Perfect. You're doing awesome. And don't forget, you can also use other genres like rock, jazz, hip-hop, or country. Just swap out pop for any genre you like.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about artists. Talking about artists is a huge part of discussing music. You can say, I like Taylor Swift, or I'm a big fan of the Beatles. I know a lot of people love Taylor Swift. Do you like her music, Anna?
I do. Taylor Swift has so many great songs. Now, let's try this together, Leo. I like Taylor Swift.
I like Taylor Swift. All right, listeners, now it's your turn. Ready? I like Taylor Swift. Perfect. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing these phrases, and soon you'll be able to talk about any artist you like in English.
Absolutely. You're doing great. If you're unsure about a song or artist, you can ask someone, do you like blank? For example, do you like the Beatles or do you like Ariana Grande? Let's practice that together. Ready, Leo?
Sure. Do you like the Beatles? Now, listeners, your turn. Do you like the Beatles? Great job! You're already sounding like a pro.
Nice. Now, if you want to say yes or no to a question like that, you can say, yes, I like their music, or no, I don't like their music. For example, yes, I like Taylor Swift's music, or no, I don't like rock music. Let's try this together. Ready? Yes, I like their music.
Yes, I like their music. Now let's practice the no version. No, I don't like their music.
Perfect. Now you try, listeners. Ready? Yes, I like their music. No, I don't like their music. Great! You're getting better with every practice. You can use these phrases whenever you're talking about someone's music preferences.
All right, let's switch gears a little and talk about music videos. A lot of us love watching the videos that go with our favorite songs. You can say, I watched the music video for song name. For example, I watched the music video for Bad Blood by Taylor Swift. Let's practice that, Anna.
Sure. I watched the music video for Bad Blood by Taylor Swift. Okay, now it's your turn, listeners. Ready? I watched the music video for Bad Blood by Taylor Swift. Great job!
Nice! You're doing amazing! And here's a fun question you can ask your friends. Did you see the music video for song name? For example, did you see the music video for Shape of You by Ed Sheeran? Let's practice that, Anna.
Sure. Did you see the music video for Shape of You by Ed Sheeran? All right, listeners, your turn. Did you see the music video for Shape of You by Ed Sheeran? Awesome!
Great job, everyone! And don't forget, music is not just about the songs. It's also about how they make you feel. You can say things like, this song makes me feel happy. This song makes me feel relaxed. Or this song makes me energized. For example, this song makes me feel happy. Let's practice that together, Anna.
This song makes me feel happy. All right, now you try, listeners. Ready? This song makes me feel happy. Fantastic.
Nice work! And if you're listening to a song that makes you feel calm or peaceful, you could say, this song makes me feel relaxed. For example, this song makes me feel relaxed. Let's try that together. This song makes me feel relaxed. Perfect!
I love how you're all practicing with us. It's so important to connect music with your emotions. It helps make the language even more meaningful. All right, let's quickly review all the phrases we've learned today. I'll say a phrase and then you repeat after me. Ready?
Let's do it. I'm excited.
I love this song. This song is a pop song. I like Taylor Swift. Do you like the Beatles? Yes, I like their music. No, I don't like their music. I watched the music video for Shape of You. This song makes me feel happy. This song makes me feel relaxed.
Great job, Anna, and amazing job, everyone. Keep practicing these phrases and you'll feel more comfortable talking about music in English in no time.
All right, let's do a quick recap of everything we learned today. You did such an amazing job. Today we learned some great phrases to talk about music, songs, and artists. Let's go over them one more time. I love this song. This song is a pop song. I like artist's name. Do you like artist's name? Yes, I like their music. No, I don't like their music. I watched the music video for song name. This song makes me feel emotion. These are all super useful phrases to start talking about music in English, and the more you practice them, the easier it will be to talk naturally.
Exactly. And don't forget, music is something we all enjoy, and it's a great way to connect with people in English. Whether you're talking about a song, an artist, or even a music video, you're building your English skills while having fun. The more you use these phrases, the more confident you'll feel when you talk about music with your friends or anyone you meet.
Absolutely. And remember, even if you're a beginner, it's okay to start small. Every conversation, no matter how simple, is an opportunity to practice and improve. You're already doing so well, so keep it up. Before we go, we love to hear from you. Here's a fun question for you to answer in the comments. What's your favorite song to listen to in the morning? Is it something energetic to help you wake up? Or do you prefer something calm to start your day? Let us know. We can't wait to see your answers.
I'm really curious to hear your responses too. Maybe we can discover some new songs together. And remember, learning English can be fun, and it's all about practicing a little bit every day. You're doing awesome, and we're here to help you every step of the way.
That's right. And don't forget to like this episode if you enjoyed it, subscribe to TalkEasyYT, and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us today. We're proud of how much you've learned, and we'll see you next time for more fun and easy English lessons.
Thanks again for being with us today. Keep practicing, and remember, English is easier when you do it the easy way. Bye, everyone.
See you soon. Take care and keep smiling.